Good morning, Orlando. I'm student meteorologist Sarah Converse with your tropical update. So we have Beryl, who's now weakened into a remnant low, and it's going to continue weakening as it moves on into land at Puerto Rico and Dominican Republic. But we have Chris, what we're watching right now, who is stationary, but is predicted to actually strengthen into a hurricane by later today into tomorrow. So we'll be watching Chris for a while. But the good news is there are no threat to land, so that is good news for us here at home. When we move on to the tropics, you can really see Beryl right now very disorganized as it's now a remnant low, moving into Puerto Rico, moving very rapidly over to Puerto Rico, bringing in those heavier rainfall, maybe some gusty winds, but the good news is not going to be tropical storm conditions affecting Puerto Rico, and it's going to move quickly on into the Dominican Republic and Haiti. But the thing we need to watch out for this storm is that models are showing that it will possibly move into warmer waters by the Bahamas, so we'll be watching very closely with Beryl. We may not see the last of Beryl as it's going to be moving off, the model showing moving off into warmer waters, but we'll see how much it withstands the landfall, and we'll be keeping you updated on Beryl. But with Chris not moving very much, it's staying stationary off the coast of the Carolinas. It is predicted to turn into a Cat 1 hurricane as the pressure is decreasing rapidly. As we saw last night, it was in the 1,000 millibars. Now it's at 999 millibars, and the wind as well has also uptake at 60 miles per hour. The good news with Chris is not going to be an effect to landfall. The only effect that hazards it will have to the coast of the Carolinas is that it will bring in dangerous rip currents, also some rough surf. So make sure if you're going out to the beach, you're wary of those beach hazards that are out there. But really, it's going to make no landfall into the United States as a frontal system is moving it straight out into colder waters, as all the models are agreeing with each other, showing it moving off into colder waters and decreasing into a tropical depression as it moves off into the Canadian provinces. But back home, seeing clear skies right now for your morning commute. We're going to be seeing those pockets of showers start to pop up into the afternoon time. So make sure you have your umbrella as you're going out through your day. So if you're going to go out gardening, I would suggest maybe starting right now, a little bit earlier, as 12 p.m. We're going to see those fewer showers start to pop up, high of 86. And then if you're still hanging around, still gardening at 4 p.m., you may want to bring your stuff indoors, as we're going to have some of those rumbles start to pop up with storms developing with a high of 87. But today is going to be very warm out today, as we're going to have lows in the 90s inland, 91 in Orlando, and then along the coast seeing those higher 80s, 85 in Palm Coast, the cold spot for today. So your 7-day forecast is going to be seeing those pockets of showers onto Monday at 50%. But for Tuesday and Friday, we're going to have that dry air start to push its way through our atmosphere again, bringing in lower rain chances, but we're going to have those hot temperatures stick around as we have the high of 94 on Thursday, and then lows staying into the warm mid-70s. But stay tuned for Weather on the Ones for more updates.